the drawings. Hello little friends, Ava here. Welcome to another beautiful drawing. Today we will learn how to draw one of the most important parts of our human body. Do you know what that part is? You got it right. It's a little hand. Now get ready and let's go. We are going to outline our entire hand, step by step and very slowly. Let's start the outline of our design by the sleeve of the shirt at the bottom. We draw the line from the right side to the top, making the curves. Very well. We continue the line of the curve from the shirt sleeve to the left side. We finish the sleeve of the shirt, drawing the curves of the line on the left side of the shirt sleeve. That's it. Very good. Do you know what is hand anatomy? The human hand consists of 27 bones and more than 30 joints. Together, the fingers are connected to the wrist by means of tendons, muscles, and ligaments. Now let's start drawing our hand, starting with the wrist, on the left side. We draw the line of the thumb step by step very slowly. Do you know what the main parts of our hand? The parts of the hand include the fingers, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Each of these fingers consists of 3 phalanges, except the thumb, which has only 2. The human hand is amazing, isn't it? That's it. Very well. We have already drawn the thumb, now we will make the outline of the index finger step by step very slowly. We now draw the outline line of the middle finger until the end. Very good. See the model in the corner above to clear your doubts before making the lines. Let's go around the ring finger step by step very slowly. Very well. Wow. Our hand is starting to appear. Did you know that the hand is one of the most important parts of the human body? It allows us to do things like grab, hold, push, pull, and many other things. To finish our outline, we will draw the line of the little finger, step by step. Thanks to their dexterity and skill, we are able to perform amazing tasks such as writing, drawing, and painting, playing a musical instrument, and even cooking a delicious meal. Our hand is sensational, isn't it? Follow the line until the end to close the outline. Yes, very well. We also draw the details of the hand lines to make the outline complete. Wow! Have we finished all the outline of our hand? She was beautiful. If you are enjoying the hand drawing so far, you can subscribe to the channel now. Yes, very good. You've seen how drawing an easy hand step by step very slowly is a lot of fun. Now let's paint. It's time to color the drawing of our cute little hand. I have already separated the 2 colors that we will use to paint our hand drawing. To begin our painting, we will use the blue color to paint the sleeve of the shirt that is under our little hand. Let's paint from left to right step by step very slowly. Keep painting very slowly. Very well. Wow. It was perfect. Our little hand is getting beautiful. To finish our painting, we will use the beige color to paint our whole hand. Let's start painting the fist step by step very slowly. Well done. Now we also paint the palm of our hand, following the line step by step. The hand is an incredible part of the human body, and we must take care of it with great affection. Of course, we all know about the importance of washing your hands regularly to maintain hygiene and prevent disease. We now paint the thumb. Very well. We continue painting on the same line to finish the palm and paint the little finger step by step. Very good. We'll paint each remaining finger, one at a time. We'll start with the index finger. Keep painting from the bottom up, very slowly. Yes, very well. We'll paint the middle finger from the bottom up. It's getting really good. To finish the painting of our drawing, we also paint the ring finger, now from top to bottom. Very well. Wow. Our little hand is already complete? Friends, the drawing of our cute hand is wonderful. It is a very colorful and happy design. Drawing and painting this beautiful hand with me was a very nice way to learn about human hands. Congratulations! It was amazing! Thank you for drawing this cute little hand with me so far. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Now you can leave a like in this video and subscribe so you do not miss any new design. I will always bring new drawings here. A Super Ava kiss and see you soon.